welcome back to my channel. I just came back from my trip from Newport in real time. That was the best trip ever. I would highly recommend watching the full video. Have fun, enjoy it. I did. Here you go. Brings the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours, damn it. It's better than yours, I'm teaching. I am tripping out right now. This is absolutely insane. What? What? No way. Like, pinch me. This is the view from our hotel. We made it. So this is the public bathroom, and I remember it so well. Like, this is insane. You need a TV while you're sitting here doing your makeup? That's chill. Okay. That's chill. So we have arrived in our room. Our room is called the Tudor room, and it's very lovely. I'll give you a tour. The entrance, hey. This is your very lovely view. There's my grandpa. So starting from over here, entrance, gorgeous window. And then here's the bed. It has a very nice, I don't even know, it's like the world's biggest bed frame.
Well, maybe not the world's, but...
And then a little stool, maybe? This is the bed from the front angle. And I love the Leo because
Number one, I'm a Leo,
and number two, it
kind of very much reminds me of Harry Potter houses, especially Gryffindor.
oops, there's my fingers. And then hey again, this is the bathtub. It's quite a big bathtub if you see how I'm literally trying to get it all in frame. And it's great. It's a marble tub. Hey, you got your own little nook in here, which is very lovely. And then from this angle, this is the room that we see.
Sorry, I'm literally leaning into the bathtub to show you accurately.
Wooden, gorgeous chandelier. And then over here, as you could see, we have a desk and my grandpa. Over there is the bathroom that I'll get into a second. This is the sitting area, which is quite lovely. They give you a chocolate, which I am more than happy to enjoy in a second. In this little box, we have a Chandler hand sanitizer, which I am going to keep and refill forever. Right, Emma, because that's why you came to Newport. And also the key, which this is the first time I have a physical key, not like a swiping key, for the
Door, which is over there.
Then in here, this is kind of fancy, ready? And the light turns on. And a mirror. which is lovely. Quite standard, nothing special. And then over here, you might think, hey, that's just a cabinet. Oh wait, what's that? It's a TV. But we're gonna be classy, so we're gonna hide it. And then we have a fireplace and a painting. Here's the couch, and here's this angle of the room. Don't mind that. We had some croissants. And then in here we just have a little storage space. That's so cute and dandy. And some coffee maker machine. We got the fridge, a lot of water, and some croissants. And then over here, so this is the desk again, and this is quite a statement chair, and this is the view from out here. And then this is the bathroom. It's a step-down bathroom, and it has a vanity, which I am definitely going to use. Then over here, the toilet robe, a painting above the toilet, so that when you sit here, you can watch the TV. And then the shower, which the lady explained to me multiple times how to use this shower because it's complicated. I adore soaps like these. I collect them.
I cherish them.
And then in here, okay, that's hygienic. A package remote for the TV, and kind of just everything you need. I'm gonna change and I'll keep you updated. Boop. Can't miss that. Like, that's insane. That's properly insane. I love it, 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 I love it. I've been here many a time. This is my third. And every single time we've come here, I've always seen this house, this one, right on the beach. Because it's the closest one. It's closer than the breakers. It's closer than the elms, which are my favorite places on God's green earth. But this is just insane. Please. We're watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians as eating lunch. So, we're at the beach right now. It is so lovely. There's right over there. You can see that house. You can't, sorta. That's the Chandler. That's where we're staying. And it's just very pretty here. I don't have my sandals. Oh boy. I'm taking very careful steps. However, the beach is right here. There's so many full seashells on the ground. Beach check. Now we're on our way to Fort Adams. See you there. Casey like my dog. No, me too, you know? 10 of them, why not? That's Rose Cliff. I've actually seen Marble House before, but there was a very weird exhibit going on at the time and it kind of messed up the vibe. So I'm definitely very glad to be able to go again, normally. Woo! Look at him go! Look at him zoom. Fort Adams, we're here. That's the Breakers. How pretty, owned by the Vanderbilts. We found Ocean Avenue. Hey, update. Chandler, I'm sitting right at the entrance. I have the gorgeous, gorgeous ocean behind me. Look at that. And I have the hotel in back of us. What more can you wish for? I don't know what angle to show you. So we are going to have dinner at 6:30. It's 5:20. We have some time to kill. And it's gonna be spent watching this gorgeous, gorgeous ocean. We're waiting to be seated for dinner. So we just came back from dinner and I'm gonna end the night with a bath that was drawn for me. That's gonna be lovely because I have direct view of the TV. I just saw my first Modern Family segment clip and very lovely. So again, the gorgeous bed. I'll show you from this side. They came and they surprised us with slippers. You can't tell because it's like blending into the bed, but it's also like a jump. With some chocolates on the pillows and a bedtime story about the people who lived in this house. Update, the slippers are heated and warm. So this is the box of chocolates we got last night on our pillows. Ta-da! Hi everybody and good morning to day 2 in Newport. So, right now we're doing a quick glam because it is 9:20 and breakfast ends at 10. It's only for Chandler guests, residents, if you will. So it shouldn't be that crowded. It's not going to be crowded. I am running on 2 hours and 40 minutes of sleep because I'm just that girl. I just let my creative juices flow last night as I was writing about my day. I do not have a brush, don't come for me. I left it at home. Patty broth eyeshadow stick. It's great. I do light taps, then blend, blend, blend. So the plan for today is that we're going to breakfast, very important, and then to the Marble House, which I have been before, but we're going again, and it's the only house open, which is very unfortunate for me because my favorite house ever is the Elms, and it's my one true saving grace, and that is not available. It's closed. So you can barely tell that I just put on eyeshadow on this eye, but that's all right. That's all right. And then we're going to Ocean Drive, which we haven't got to yesterday, unfortunately. So while I'm blending my eyeshadow here, that place that we went to yesterday wasn't the OG Ocean Drive. It was like a fake version. Still the ocean, but you know. But I'm so ready for this day. I spent 2 hours in the jacuzzi last night just chilling, relaxing. Then hopefully the plan is that we're gonna go downtown and do some shopping. So this is the glam. How cute. Just really quick, this is the outfit though. Business casual in my mind, with a cute high pony on our way to breakfast. How pretty. This is the view coming down. It's really, really cute. And then in here is like just a nice space. And then breakfast is that way. I literally went all the way to breakfast in the slippers that they gave us. Okay, now I'm actually wearing shoes. I think I'm gonna go for the pancakes. The view, literally from our breakfast table, it is gorgeous. It's so cute. Hey Newport vlog update. We're at breakfast and I did get those pancakes, which we are waiting for. Let's take a peek-see, shall we? There we go. That's it. Literally right here. We're the closest on the beach. Those are the chairs, a little cabana, and me, and the ocean. We just got a visually appetizing, I'm sure as tastefully appetizing,
Appetizer.
a little cinnamon donut. I think that's yogurt with blueberry. And this is kombucha, and I've never had kombucha before. So this should be interesting. It smells great. It smells very fruity and tropical. Taste test. This one, it's like a yogurt that's thick, that's vanilla-y, with chia seed. I don't know what this one is. My donut is salty. Wash it down with my first kombucha, question mark. I can't decide if I like that, because it is bubbly. And I do have conflicts with bubbly liquids like sodas. I don't like it because like it feels weird. My pancakes have arrived. This is the cutest butter ever. Bread and some eggs. So we have arrived to the Marble House. And this is how far I've had to stand to get the whole house in the shot. It is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to go inside. Let's go. Oh. So this is the dining room. Damn. Literally look at how detailed that is. Like, that is insane. Followed by stained windows, chandeliers, books, and then extremely detailed, like, I don't know what even to call that, but you know, thingy-mabobber. And then here's the marbled portion. And plates over doors, like any normal family, except, oh wait, we're in the Vanderbilt's house. And they're that high doors. Tapestry. I like that guy. He's like piecing. Yeah, no, me too. This is totally a normal Wednesday morning for me. Can I please live in this room? Oh my goodness. What else do you need? Like, this is insane. Please. Like, just the bed. Okay. Okay. I see you. And if that isn't enough for you, you got that. Okay. I mean, I'd take this one too. If I didn't have an option. So if you think that this is big, what if I show you the rest of the place? So I'm literally just walking out. I spent $60 on magnets and 2 ornaments. Damn, this house. I came here at 11:57. It is 1:47. Literally going room to room. I'm normal. I'm sane. I'm great. Just me in the house chilling. This is the side of the house. This is the short end of the house. I haven't even made it to the back yet. My bag and my shoes match. I just wanted to let you know. And I think that if I am to come to such a lovely place, that I should do so in style. Ooh, look at that lighting work. That behind me is like the tea house. However, due to COVID, they do not serve tea as of now, but I'm still gonna enjoy a lovely walk there. Let's see how long it takes me until that house comes out of frame, because it'll take a very very long time until that happens, but that's okay. That's okay. That's gorgeous. All right. All right. It's never gonna come out of frame. Enjoy this next montage. I'm holding this like a weapon. It's my purse. Even though Kim Kardashian did officially make it a weapon. Briefly, just my camera is struggling to fit it all into one frame. And do you see that? Do you see how refined everything about this house is? Shit, there's a bug. Okay, I'm ladylike. I'm so ladylike. And there's the tea house. That's epic. And there's the back. I wonder if I'm allowed to walk on the lawn. I think I am, and I will either way. Here's the tea house because they're fancy and they want to have tea in an Asian styled manner, and I respect that. There are some workers on the top of the house that are watching me, but that doesn't affect me. So I didn't realize that this was actually the front until now, but I've made that realization. My favorite thing is that I took a couple seconds to let the beauty of it sink in. And out of all possible poses, I did a cat claw pose, or maybe like those were supposed to be dragon's claws. I have no idea what just happened. Like, this is what I meant when I'm like, this is perfect. Insane. I have spent officially 5 hours and 7 minutes at this house. So I think that is my mark to go. The lady and guy inside the house, actually, I heard them on their headphone pieces to watch me because I was being suspicious that I was stopping so much and posing so much, because they've never seen somebody strike a pose like a baddie like me before. So dramatic weather difference. We're by the ocean now, looking at some shops. A house made in 1798. Look at her. We're back at the Chandler and we got some fudge. Salted caramel, Rocky Road, and chocolate walnut. A great 3 for $10 deal. I think this looks great for today's dinner as well, minus the jalapenos. And the ocean looks even better. I actually brought the jalapeno dip because I told him that I hate spice. So he brought me a little cute cube worth of it to try it, and I ate it all. Because normally I hate spicy, like I cannot, like pepper is spicy for me. Onions are the worst, oh my god, garlic. But I did it, I was brave. I'm adventurous. Dinner is here. Classiest restaurant ever, and they're playing the instrumental version of Charlie's Poof. Poof. We don't talk anymore. That's a good option. That's what I'd do. So we're back from dinner and we have yet again another chocolate on our pillow. I got my Rocky Road Newport fudge from the Newport Fudgery. I haven't had fudge in well over a year, so this is gonna be cherished. And they brought us a new chocolate on the pillow. Oh boy, that looks so good. Okay. I'll walk you through the experience in a sec. The one with the little yellow dots is calling me first. So that's what we're gonna do. It looks like a little truffle. I was gonna say it smells like dark chocolate at first, which it does, but I'm predicting orange filled, which they love orange. My phone kept on falling, so changing up the angle. Welcome to my bed. There's actually directly above me, like you can't, okay. Right there, that's a sprinkler in case that there's a fire. So, as I was saying, the orange is a common theme because the greeting cake was orange. One of the chocolates was orange yesterday as well. The sprinkles are fun. Okay, I'm watching Modern Family in the reflection of a mirror because the mirror is closer than looking to the TV. Is that weird? No, Emma, why would it be? Bachelor number 2. Hot. Okay, I'm excited. Ready? Cheers. It tastes like the Vanderbilt's version of a Reese's Piece. This is the water, by the way. It tastes like our filtered tap water. It has that smoothness, but it smells like Poland Springs. But this does taste more upstate. Okay. I'm ready for some fudge. Ooh, look at her. She's very pretty. It comes with a spoon that reminds me of like a Pinterest spoon for like skincare. First bite, here we go. This is a mean rocky road. I hit like an almond chunk. I'm doing great. I think there's marshmallow in this. I don't know. I think. I'm gonna watch Modern Family. I'm gonna take a shower that has 6 shower heads. And there's also a TV that you can watch from the shower as you're showering. So I obviously am gonna do that. So we're at breakfast, and my breakfast is a vanilla scented rice chia seed pudding with berries. Very yummy. I obviously asked for more chia because I love chia. And then an omelet with mushrooms and spinach. And now we are sadly departing from the Chandler. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look how cute that is. Like, just the way here is a dream. I loved it so much. Best vacation ever. I was thankful every single second of the way. Dream come true. He's just chilling on the beach in a parking spot. He's a very elegant seagull with great taste. We arrived. And I've taken the steps down to walk on the side over here. And look at these fun rocks. I know that that's so boring, but that's really pretty, honestly. Haha. Look at her, look at that. Pretty spicy. I feel like a hermit crab because I am waddling a little bit on these rocks, but they're slippery and I'm really not all about to fall on my lovely Brandy Melville skirt. Newport, you've done it again. I am literally right on the edge and I'm scared to go closer. Look at the boat coming in. I can't wait for adulthood because this is going really good. Like, I can climb on rocks whenever I want. I can go as high as I want. I can chill with the ocean as much as I want. Me and the ocean, we go way back. We have secrets that you're not part of, actually. We got my pal Rock over here. Very sturdy. He's actually cousins with Dwayne Johnson. No, bad joke. Or Ben Hardy, you know. Whichever one you choose. Ben is better, don't tell me otherwise. I was having so much fun, and then I saw
A spider.
on the rock, and I went backwards a little bit because that's just not cool. Spiders are not allowed on the rocks on the beach. It says it on the sign. In my mind, but nonetheless, is that not as valid? So we're in the car right now. We're actually on our way home, supposedly. But like, this is the neighborhood that we're driving through. It's like a story tale house. It is so cute. Newport, right? Like, you've done it. You've done it again.
So this is our drive on the way home, which is just insanely gorgeous and beautiful. It's our last day. We're going to get pizza right now, like the true fashionistas, classy, elegant people that we are.
This car is iconic. Don't be sad, hire my dad. That's the motto. So I managed to switch my outro with a saved snap that I have on my phone, but I'll just say it to you via this. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give a comment, give it a like. You're a trooper if you stuck through it and watched the whole thing. Remember to stay cute. Hiiiii.